What if there was a way to remove objects from images directly in Adobe InDesign without breaking your workflow or ever leaving your layout? With the new Adobe Express integration in InDesign, you can now remove objects from images without switching apps. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a practical use case to remove a distracting object that obstructs a main title in a poster layout. Let's dive in and I'll show you how this works. I'm working on a poster for a pickleball tournament called Paddlefest and it looks great. However, I just noticed the placement of the image has a pickleball obstructing the main title, making it a little hard to read. Have a look. If I go to the Layers panel, I have the title on its own layer, and if I hide it, you can see that the pickleball is there and it does make the title difficult to read. Now I could try to move the image around, resize it, and crop it so the ball is further away from the text, but I do like the placement of the image currently. Instead, I can use the new Adobe Express tools built into InDesign to remove the ball from the image. Firstly, you'll need to open the Contextual taskbar, which can be located by going up to Window and then choosing Contextual taskbar. You can see that I already have the Contextual taskbar open and it's located at the top of the workspace. With the background image selected in the Contextual taskbar, you'll see an option to edit with Adobe Express Beta. This launches the Express window inside of InDesign with all the image editing tools you'd see in Adobe Express on the web. In this example, I'll click on Remove Object so I can remove the pickleball from the image. I can adjust the brush size. Currently it's set to 40 pixels, which is just fine, and you can see that I have the brush activated in my cursor. Next, hover over the object or objects that you would like to remove, in this case the pickleball, and simply paint over the pixels. Now, this doesn't have to be perfect, but try to stay within the boundaries of the object you want to remove. Once you have the area selected, simply click on Remove in the bottom left corner of the window and watch as Adobe Firefly built into Express removes the pickleball seamlessly. And just like that, the pickleball is gone. It actually gives you 3 variations to look at. There's the first, there's the second, which you could see where I've actually removed it, so I don't like that version, and here's the third. I think the first one is the best. However, if you're not pleased with the results, you can always click Generate More to generate another 3 versions. Once you select a version you like, let's click Apply in the top right corner to apply those settings. As a last step, choose whether to replace the existing image on the page, or if you wanted to preserve the original, you could save it as a new image. For this example, I'll simply click Replace the original and watch how it automatically updates on the page. And to give you a sense of the before and after, I'll open the History panel and toggle between the last 2 states with the pickleball and without the pickleball. That's a simple and practical way of how the new Adobe Express feature inside of InDesign can help remove objects from an image without breaking your workflow or ever leaving the app. Thanks again for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more Adobe InDesign and Creative Cloud tutorials. And if you want to learn more about working in InDesign, check out the playlist I've added below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.